Hello, and welcome back to the Bankers Masterclass series on leveraging the hybrid cloud in association with Red Hat and Tata Consultancy Services. I'm Joy McKnight, Managing Editor at The Banker, and I'm joined by Kishore Banavar from TCS and Ramon Villarreal from Red Hat. In this last chapter of the Masterclass series, we'll be discussing how hybrid cloud can really be the foundation of open banking and new ecosystems. So Kishore, how does open banking support what's called ecosystem banking?
Open banking creates many opportunities for the banks to play in terms of various marketplace business models to participate in the ecosystem banking. A role as a supplier in providing more services and information through APIs for third-party providers or even aggregators, earning increased fees and revenue through referral sales. A role to be a distribution channel in providing connectivity to other financial service providers, such as payment providers or insurers and so on, earning revenues from multi-product sale and also referral commissions. A role as a service provider by publishing APIs in the industry marketplace for developers and partners to create innovative offerings and business models, and that could also earn revenues. Or it could be a full-fledged digital service provider, a key role to play in the ecosystem and exposing and consuming business processes as APIs through API marketplaces. So for all this, it is very key to modernize your capability landscape through omni-channel multimodal engagement platforms for the customers or an adaptive core for business agility, and also creating various digital core capabilities such as real-time personalization and so on. So by embracing the principles of open banking, established financial institutions could also become a hub for access to very best of fintech, perhaps even becoming AWS of financial services. This is very exciting, but it requires a serious look at strengthening your platform capabilities.
At the end of the day, open banking is all about liberating the information of the customer for organizations to create new services. But it's also about creating competition and enabling the creation of the new paradigms and new ways of working, building that ecosystem that Kishore was talking before. And this is actually driving a lot of change in financial institutions. They are having to adapt into a world in which there is a lot more competition, there is a lot of new players, but also they need to be able to deliver new functionalities and value-added capabilities to the customer in a faster way. At the end of the day, banks are transforming the way of operating by generating new functionalities, but also enabling new ways of monetizing the information and the aggregation of that information to the customer into the market. They are also building in new ways of operating because they are creating more a collaborative way of working and start leveraging the capabilities of other financial institutions in the way that they operate. What you can say is the way that they operate is becoming more symbiotic and is becoming less dependent into their internal operation and more based into the ecosystem. And it's quite an interesting landscape, and you can see that it's transforming the market slowly, especially in countries like UK or countries that are more advanced in the open banking network. And you will see how these new ways of operating are going to be changing the way that the money is transacting around the world.
How can hybrid cloud be leveraged to lay the foundation for realizing purpose-driven ecosystems?
The purpose-driven ecosystem could be seen both from the perspective of consumer banking and business banking. So a case in point is mortgage or home buying experience, where banks would like to participate actively in the entire decision making by leveraging open APIs from, say, real estate business or insurance business and so on. So supporting business banking customers to establish and grow in their business has also become integral part of the banking solution. So, especially for small and medium sized businesses. So, banks are partnering with fintechs and other solution providers to provide some distinctive administrative functions, be it payroll or accounting or relationship management and so on. And most of these cloud hosted solutions are leveraged using APIs, and they are made accessible to the organizations through easy integrations. So hence, hybrid cloud model plays a significant role in the purpose-driven ecosystem.
The way that a lot of the financial institutions are going into the delivery of these capabilities, not only the open banking paradigm, but also the new functionalities, is being built in hybrid cloud, because it gives them that ability to integrate and relate, but also to communicate and participate into this ecosystem. It allows them to actually be faster in the way that they build new functionalities and deliver to the market those systems, and it gives them the ability to compete, but at the same time maintaining the level of reliability and trust that the customer has placed on them. So it's a key part of that process of transformation, and I don't see any financial institution that is not going to apply in some flavor the paradigms of hybrid cloud into the way that they are thinking about open banking.
So many thanks for your insights, Kishore and Ramon. This concludes this masterclass series in association with Red Hat and Tata Consultancy Services. Thanks for watching.